Hi, welcome to Yarn Addict Adventures. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie a slip knot. The slip knot is a very common way of beginning a crochet chain or casting on for knitting. It is a knot that can change sizes to accommodate any size needle or hook. I am using a cone of Lily Sugar and Cream cotton yarn. To tie the slip knot, you need only your fingers. To begin, pinch the end called the tail in your right hand between your thumb and forefinger. Hold the other side, called the working yarn, between the thumb and forefinger of your left hand. Use your right fingers to form a loop and now you have a loop and an X on your left forefinger. Using your right hand, fold the loop down over the working yarn, flexing at the X. The tail is now on the right, and the working yarn should be visible inside the circle of the loop. Now, pull the working yarn through the loop. You can begin to pull on the tail until you have a tight knot. You will have a loop now, which can change size. To make the loop smaller, pull on the working yarn. To make it larger, pull on the loop. If you pull both the working yarn and the tail, your loop will shrink and eventually disappear. Let's try it again. Place the tail in your right hand between your thumb and your forefinger. Place the working yarn in your thumb and forefinger of your left hand. Use your right fingers to hold the loop open while you make an X in your left hand with a loop. Use your right hand to fold the loop over the working yarn so that the tail is on the right side and the working yarn is visible through the loop on the left. Pull the working yarn through the hole of the loop and pull the tail to make it tight. And that's how you tie a slip knot. If you like this video and would like to learn more, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Check out my website, yarnaddictadventures.com, for free patterns and more. Follow me on Pinterest at yarnaddict2 and join me on my knitting and crocheting adventure.